Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. So we are in that time of the year, the fall time, okay? Getting closer to finish the Big Sucker Canvas 2022. Be in the lookout, September 30, I'll be talking about the new rules. There's some tweaks that I did. There is some flexibility. But for more information, you gotta watch. That video is gonna be on Premiere. That means that I'm gonna be you can ask me questions and I can respond over there without me having to be looking at the video or looking at something else or the paper that I will have with the new rules. So please be there if you have any question, because once that I'm gonna wait that weekend. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna post it officially, okay? And there is no going back. So having said that, I'm gonna give you a sneak preview. Okay, what happened was, let me tell you this, and before we start, hit the subscribe button, join the membership, so next year we can have more frequent giveaways, okay, on the page. Doesn't have to be due to the event. It can be, you know, anything, even a wedding anniversary that you might have. Okay, so hit the join button. It's only $2.99 a month, okay? And hit the subscribe and the notification bell to get notified of all the videos, okay? If you don't want to give monthly, there is a super thank. There's a heart with a $sign over there where you can donate one time, okay? So having said that, I'm gonna need sneak preview of something here, but before that, I gotta explain what happened. Well, I did a poll in the group about what is your favorite colors, so I could try to get the pens, you know, with their favorite color, but I didn't realize, and I realized later, that I didn't put it for the person to vote once. So I got people voting for two colors, okay? And the same thing happened with the gender. So and so it was difficult to find a pen, the color, along with the tips that I showed before, they were gone on Amazon. They no longer have them, but I found something cuter than that, okay? Something cuter. So I got this in this case, and take a look at this. You got a beautiful pen with the tips and includes even to wax. So let's open it. It has a thank you card from the vendor. Already made a slit in here. Okay, I'm gonna open this one, but you guys, it's gonna be sealed. I'm not gonna open it. Okay, it has a thank you card. Welcome to my shop. Okay. Customer service, a nice pretty thank you card. Okay, look at this. Oh, here they are. Look at this case. It's very sturdy and everything comes nice and neat in there. I like this. Oh, it's more than one. It got 2 waxes in here. I mean, it got 4 in total. Take a look at this. You get 4 pieces of pink wax. Let's take a look at the pen. Oh, this is beautiful. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at those flower ladies. Those ladies that have been wonderful. Sorry for the glaring. Let me see if I can try to get the glare out. Let me move a little bit this. Take a look at this flower. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I hope they have more, because I gotta buy about 7 or 8 of them. Okay, and take a look at this for you ladies. a flower. Okay, and you get the little gaskets that you put in there. They already come with it. Okay, here is the straightener, and you just have to push it a little bit. You know, I'm not gonna push it because I wanna put it back. You got the straightener. You get a 3-placer. Let me see if I can. It just that it's being so hard. Here it is. A 3-placer. You get the single placer, which is, wow, that's very deep. That's very deep. So you can put a lot of wax in there. That's very deep. Look at how deep that is. Okay. You got the bend tip, which is even bigger than one that I showed previously. The mouth of the tip. So you can, you know, put a lot of wax, and it look like it's pretty deep too. You get the six-placer, or 9-placer. This is a 9-placer, and this is the 6-placer. Here they are. Okay, so you're gonna get 1 kit of this, and I hope you enjoy, because next year I don't know what it's gonna be. That's why I suggest you join the membership, because this is an investment on you. This is neat, and it's kind of, you know, soft. It's not heavy. It's not heavy, but this is pretty. I like these flowers. Take a look at this. Believe me. So this is something neat, something well put. Let me get this. And you're gonna get it in this nice case. This is a foam, okay? And that's it. That's part of the package you're gonna get. Okay? With the wax, and I find this neat and nice for this lovely on the Facebook group. Okay, so this is a sneak peek. I hope you like it. Please comment below. These are gonna be there's gonna be between 7 and 8 giveaways. Okay, I still have to do a group. I'm gonna do by grouping. Okay, people who submitted between 1 and 3 canvas, that's gonna be a group, and there's gonna be a giveaway for that group. Okay, then the 4, 5, 6, 7 so far. Okay, so but we get more information, you guys get more information on September 30. Okay, so thank you for watching. This was a quick one because I wanted to show you guys again. Look at this, beautiful in case. Okay, but if I can find something that I can put it back, I'll leave this one too. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Okay, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby. From Mickey and I see you on September 30. Bye. Much love and peace to all of you.